I'm going to bring to you today. So today I want us to study what happened inside the engine of the car, and so that in future you will know how to manage your car, or you need to have an idea of what is happening inside the engine of the car. So in this video, here is the structure of the engine. We can see all the things that are happening in this transparent engine. So up we have what we call the blocks. There are 4 blocks, you see them up. Then we have what we call the camshaft, you see the camshaft. We have what we call the crankshaft, you see the crankshaft. We have what we call the piston, you can see the piston going up and down. We have what we call the valves, you can see the valves. In an engine of 4 piston, we have 8 valves. In an engine of 6 piston, we have 12 valves. So the valves are divided into 2. We have 4 outlet and we have 4 inlet. Or we have a 6 outlet or 6 outlet. So looking at the structure, that is the structure of the engine. All the things that are happening here, that is how your engine or your car is functioning. In front here, we can see the radiator, then we can see the fan turning, then we can see so many things happening inside the engine. So we are taking one after another. So in this other engine, we can see the engine having 6 pistons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count it by yourself. Then we have above the piston, that is what we call valves. And if you want to count these valves above here, there are 12 of them. And each piston is connected to 2 valves, 1 outlet and 1 inlet. Those are the valves. Then what turns this valve up here, there are these 2 pistons. These 2 pistons up here, we call them the camshaft. The camshaft head in opening up the valve. Then down here, we have the piston is connected to another shaft. This shaft down here, we call it the ground shaft. So this shaft you see down here is the same shaft that is going into the gearbox to activate the gear. So have the knowledge of what is happening in your car. So I just want us to go again into another system of the engine to see what is happening in the engine. So thank you. So in this other engine, we can see how all the things are functioning. We can see the ground shaft, the camshaft above, the rotating and opening of the valves, and you can see how the fuel is coming in. We can see how the fuel is burning. We can see the smoke inside. We can see fire inside the engine. That is what is happening in the engine. We can see the piston going up and down, up and down. That is the same thing that is happening in the engine. Then we can see down here, we can see the work of the camshaft. How the camshaft is rotating, carrying the piston up and down, up and down. So that is some things that are happening inside the car. So we have this ground shaft here. We have this ground shaft here is connected to the gearbox. So I just want you to have the knowledge, and if you need more, or you want to know more of things that happen in your car, or on how to manage your car, I will drop a link below. You make sure you subscribe. You just have to follow the link. You make sure you subscribe to my channel. There are series of lessons you need to know as a driver. If you want to go and write a driver exam, or you are looking for driver license, this class is for you. I will teach you everything you need that you studied in the driving school, and I will teach you international driver license. That is, if you go any country, if you go anywhere, you have no problem. I will bring you all international code, all the things you need to know in your country, and all the things you need to know out of your country. I will teach you road, I will teach you junction, I will teach you roundabout, and I will teach you so many things that will help you wherever you go. You will drive freely without any problem. So thank you guys for watching. I just want you to go down, make sure you follow the link, subscribe to the channel, and start sharing the video. Help your friends, help the people outside there. I'll also be bringing you things. What is the cause of brake failure in the car? I will be teaching you. The lesson is already there. Just go and subscribe. I will be bringing you the cause of brake failure. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just want you to share, because there are so many things we need to know about our car, how you can be safe in your car. There are many things we need to know. So thank you guys for watching this video. I would love to see you in the next video. So thank you. See you next again.